In this video, I will show you a Beehiiv coupon code or promo code that you can use to get 20% off. Now, first of all, if you have not yet created your account, you can sign up through the link in the description to claim a 30-day free trial. Now, after signing in or creating your account, from there you want to go to the payment section. And then from there, just go to checkout with whichever plan you want. So for example, if I want to get the skill plan, I can click upgrade to skill. I can also choose to pay annually, where you will save even more money. So you can see if I set it yearly, it will save me $6 per month. So just upgrade to whatever plan you want. And under add promotion code, all caps lock, enter this code right here. And then hit apply. And then you will see 20% will be taken off of your price. You can see under price breakdown, it was $517 per year. Now the 20% is taken off and it's just $413. So from there, just go to checkout and go and pay for it. And then you will have applied the coupon code or promo code. So that's a Beehiiv promo code you can use to get 20% off. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.